So this is my driver, Abu. Abu, say hey.
Hi.
And today I'm going to take him to a Jamaican restaurant.
Do what?
To eat.
I don't eat Jamaican food.
Abu, today you are eat.
I will never eat.
Abu said that anything that's not Nigerian food makes his stomach scatter.
Of course.
But today we're going to switch it up. And it's going to be so much fun.
Let me try. Today, I will try today own.
Yalla, let's go.
But the India one I ate there before yesterday, it destroyed me. And I don't want to try.
I bought him Indian food, he just didn't like it. So this is my favourite restaurant in Lagos. It's called Jamski. It literally does the best Jamaican food. He's gonna love it. Hello, sir. It's me again.
I know.
How are you? Oh, Gabby, looking at the menu. What do you like?
I don't want to eat this food. Do you know why?
Why? You'll like it, I promise. I promise.
I know where we're heading to.
This is better than Indian. I promise you'll like it. Okay, I'll try and look excited. So I ordered curry chicken and brown stew chicken, and then I ordered him curry goat and oxtail. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
What do you think? Good?
Nice.
I told you. I knew he would like it. This is the same man that didn't want to come. That is what I call a successful mission.